Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to picture. This is where brightness matters. Once done, disable eco or power saving. Those force dimming and hide true brightness. Next, pick a neutral picture mode like standard or movie so your adjustments are predictable. You want a stable baseline before changing controls. Make sure the room lighting matches typical viewing conditions, otherwise you'll chase the wrong setting and have to redo steps later. Now you fine-tune by separating backlight from brightness because they do different jobs. Increase backlight to make the whole image brighter without crushing blacks. Lower it for dim rooms to reduce eye strain. Then adjust brightness to set black level so dark details remain visible. Use a test pattern or a dark scene to see if blacks clip. Finally, tweak contrast so highlights remain bright but not blown out. Adjust until whites retain texture. You finish by saving your custom picture profile so tweaks stick across inputs. Once saved, test several types of content, SDR, HDR, sports, and movies, because brightness that looks good on one source can fail on another. Make additional tiny adjustments and resave until satisfied. If you run into problems like crushed blacks, flicker, or no change, try resetting picture settings to default or turn off dynamic contrast. If still broken, check for a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.